Hey guys, it's Yvette and I am starting day 13 of VLOGMAS. So welcome to the channel and we are ready. Jellybean is ready too apparently to open our Advent boxes. And we've been having a lovely Saturday even though it's raining outside. It's okay. Makes you feel like it's okay to be inside, which I like to be inside anyway, so that's okay. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start with cotton cuts. Oh, I haven't seen little sweetie yet today, but it is raining, so she might be, you know, she might have like found shelter somewhere. Okay, so cotton cuts box. Here it is, and let's figure out what is our fat quarter for today. There is our number 13. I did say it was Vlogmas Day 13, right? Did I say that right? I hope so. Okay. I'm going to cover this back up. And Jellybean has left. I don't know where he went. Jellybean, where are you, buddy? Where'd you go? I saw Sami. Anyway, I don't know. Okay. Day 13. Fat quarter. Okay, our card today says, find joy in the journey. She really does have the best little sayings that she gives us every day. This is really cute. Okay, holy cow. Wait till you see the fabric for today. It may actually look like it's a batik, but it is not a batik because I'm looking at the back of the, yeah, it's not, but it looks like it. This is a wild and crazy color here. It is like, holy cow. But it has a lot of greens in it. There's some yellow in there. I did pull it apart. It does have a selvage. This is, let's see. Okay, it might be called Picture This, but I'm not sure. This is a digitally printed fabric that was made for Robert Kaufman. So that's all I know. Here's that part right there. It's got a little kink in it. But it does say digitally printed. It has Picture This. And other than that, it only has Robert Kaufman on it and his website. Okay. All right. So there's the fat quarter for today. It's a bit wild and crazy, I have to say. That's my opinion on this fabric. It's definitely not Christmas, I could tell you that. Or at least not in my definition of what Christmas fabric would be. So I'm wondering if they like pulled all these out of the vault. I'm wondering how they did that. Because you know how they always say from the vault? So I think that they probably have like leftover fabrics that they'll accumulate over time, you know, after they cut the fat quarters for their, the fat quarters and a half yards really for their monthly subscriptions. So it's very interesting. Okay, so we are ready to open number 13. This is the Stitch Supply Company. All right, let's get it open. Are these taller? No, I guess not. It kind of looked like it was. Okay, so it looks like there's thread in there. And, oh, there is. Okay, and there's a little sticker. The sticker says, the sticker says Bobbin Chicken Winner. That's cute. I like stickers too, so that's really cute. And then here is the, ooh, this is an Orfil thread. That's like one of my colors. That's pretty. That's very pretty. Okay, so Orfil thread and a chicken winner ribbon. I'm really excited about that. Okay, so I'm going to put that back in there for now. Get in there, buddy. My goodness. I don't know why I have to make it so it's like perfection. Okay. And now for the stitchy box. This is the last one. I keep doing that. I've already had someone say, so I'm trying to be more careful. Maybe I should put these in another box or something. Okay. All right. Now I'm looking for number 13. Let's see. Okay, here it is. Found it. That was quick. Okay. Day 13. It's a little red envelope with white dots. Ooh. Okay. Day 13, Gast Cotton Floss, and that's G-A-S-T. For those of you guys who are like serious cross stitchers, I'm sure you know what that is. I'm sure it's a company that is well known for floss. A lovely deep red / brown colorway. I see the brown, and the red, you have to like really know that you're looking for red, I think. Perfect for rustic Christmas designs. And here it is. It says that color fast, the gentle art limited edition. It says that this is a Stitchy Box exclusive colorway for Sampler Heart. I'm not sure what that is. So you can see the brown, and then if you look, you can sort of see the red in there. Don't really know that you're looking for it though, I think. There you go. Okay, so this has been day 13, and please make sure that you let me know what you think about day 13 in all the boxes. And I know that there's a couple of you guys who are getting the Stitch Supply Company. So what else did I hear about that though? Like if there were different colors available, I'm getting like one color and another person's getting like another color. So sometimes you might see I'm getting something and someone else has something different. That's why. And that's it. Okay, so thanks again for coming to see day 13 in Vlogmas, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.